What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. We are out in Pico Rivera, California, at the Shoe Palace. This is one of Shoe Palace's newest stores, and I wanted to check it out because, man, I've heard that they've had some crazy deals in the past. They had the Gym Reds like a month after they came out. I was told they had some infrareds like until way later. Chef Is Boss told me that. You remember telling me that? Yeah, they apparently had the infrareds way later. So yeah, I need to come check it out, see what they got, you guys. Let's go see what's up. Let's go see what's up. Oh, yeah. Let's go see the Pico Rivera location, you guys. Go see what's up. Oh, I see a lot of sales tags already. All right, I'm hoping we don't get copywritten with this music, but look at their Jordan section, man. They have so much stuff, you guys. Take a look at this. Pause this and take a look and see all the stuff, man. I see all kinds of stuff right there, man. See all kinds of stuff. All right, so kind of been looking through the Jordan section. Also, Bosco's doing his live feed, doing his thing. But yeah, the selection here is like crazy. Like nothing's like on big time sale. But the fact that you can get everything for retail, because they got all kinds of stuff that's like sold out. You can't even get for retail. The resale might be a little low. I don't know. But yeah, look. Got the Ferrari 14s, or the black Ferraris, the Jordan 14 black Ferraris. Pretty. Kind of like these. I'm not a fan of the material on this side, to be honest. The leather, it's like a synthetic leather, but yeah, not bad, not bad. I do like the colorway, like the inside. But yeah, going for retail. The denim 6s, we've seen plenty of these. I'm waiting for these to go down. Yeah. I don't know why these are still so high. I'm surprised these aren't on sale yet. That's hella surprising. The Laker 13s, I've seen these on sale. Warehouse shoe sale, we saw these for hella cheap, like $129. Not on sale here though. Yeah, I'm a huge fan of these 12s, man. I think they call these the dark gray. It's not even dark, so I don't know why they call them dark grays, but yeah, the stitching is a little bit different on these than the other ones. Most of the other ones, the stitching is just a single. This one's like a zigzag pattern, and then it's double stitched. Oh no, it's not double stitched, but it is in a zigzag pattern. I do like the silver on these. The silver looks really cool. Yeah, but yeah, I like the color scheme. I like the stuff. Just don't want to pay retail for those. That's a Game Royal 12s. Not a huge fan of those. Reverse taxis. I love these, man. I just don't want to pay retail. Did see a 9.5 at the outlets today, so you should have seen that video by now. The snakeskin 11 lows, or the 11 low snakeskins. Not bad. I'm just not a fan of snakeskin material, but not too shabby. The navy 11 low snakeskin. And their Jordan selection here is amazing. I haven't seen a collection like this in a while. The 9s, but I forgot what colorway this was. Oh, did they just call it the Gym Red 9s, I think? It's alright. I'm not a huge fan of the 9s. They seem hella stiff. I don't know. Winterized 4s, we've looked at these enough. Going for retail, we've seen these at the outlets. Also done a review. Check out the review, guys. Mochas, man. We haven't seen mochas in forever. I'm surprised they're not on sale. But we really haven't seen the mochas in forever, you guys. Those are dope. I got my pair for crazy, hella cheap at the Grand Center. Not gonna find that no more. Got the Tinker 3 blacks. Go for retail though. Go for retail, but the selection, crazy. Selection's crazy. Got the Gym Red ones right there. Got the Bloodlines, Fearless ones. Got the 3M material. We got a lot of stuff, you guys. Got a whole lot. They got a few Jordan 1s up there. Those look like some highs. And they have those on sale. They're usually $100, man. Oh, and they got the Michigan and the FIBA 4s, man. They got those too. We're gonna check the price on those. They got the grapes and they got the islands. Curious on what the price on those are, man. Let me find out for you guys. Dude, look at these tailwinds, you guys. $70. $70 for these tailwinds. That's just nuts, man. Freaking crazy, dude. Crazy. Clean as hell too. Super clean, full box, everything. Yeah. $100 for these. That's still $60 on the retail, so that's what's up. I kind of like the red ones, red and black. I think that pops a little better. Clean Air Max Air Max 90s go for $100. Not too bad. I don't know what these normally go for, but $100, so that's a pretty freaking solid deal. Have a Nike Day Air Max 95s. Not a huge fan of the colors, but not bad. $100 for these Air Max 95s. These normally go for 160, so not bad. Air Max 98s. It's like a purplish color. It's not black. It's like a purplish color. Not a huge fan of the colorway. I do like the silhouette, but not a huge fan of that colorway. Not bad. $100. $100. Not too shabby. Pretty much all those will go for 90, 99, 99, 99, and that one's go for 89 though. So yeah, solid deals, you guys. Solid deals. $100 for the Fruity Pebbles, Fruity Pebble Ultra Boost. $100 for those. That's a solid deal. This is the 2019s go for 129. We've seen these go for $100 at the outlets. Not too many other deals, man. Are you guys feeling these the Ultra Boost 20s? I don't know. Kind of whatever about them. I don't know. What do you guys think? What do you guys think about these? These go for the retail $180. I've never been a fan of the weird color stuff like this, but I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. All right, nothing too interesting, but some of the sales are pretty decent. Let's head out, you guys. Let's head out. All right, that was interesting. One advice I have for you guys: if you guys see any stores where there just aren't that many people that go by and stuff like that, you guys want to visit it, because those are the ones that are gonna have stock sitting, and they're the ones who are gonna have it on sale, man. They had a crazy selection here. Not the greatest prices, but the fact that you could get a bunch of shit for retail, and you know it's legit. Like that's pretty decent, you guys. Pretty decent. But yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. Thanks for making it to the end of the video. Not the craziest heat or anything like that, but you know, it was interesting looking at some of the stuff here. This is the first time I've ever been here. Yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys next one. Peace.